Hello guys, I'm here to fix a rocker switch from a Allure by Nutone. Um, it doesn't click, so what I did, I went ahead and bought me a couple of these. So, well, it comes in a package, pair package. So I bought a pair and I can save one for future use. So in the meantime, I just need to replace one of the rocker switch and make sure, since we're unplugging everything out, I went ahead and did it ahead of time, and I remembered, why don't I go ahead and make a video out of this. So I just pulled the plugs out and I just made sure the red, you could either hit the breaker or just untie the power from here, which I did. So now I'm about to push the new rocker switch in. And when you were taking this out, make sure from the back side, make sure you squeeze these tabs. And while you're squeezing it, you can go ahead and pull it out from the front side. So now I'm gonna go ahead and install the newer rocker switch. Same thing, you squeeze it, both sides, and push it in. Oh, don't get my gloves caught. There you go. There you go. And you could see the rocker switch works pretty good. All right, so now we're just gonna plug the wires back and make sure, try to remember which side is the low and high. All right, let's put this back on. All right guys, now since I put back all the wires, same thing with the power. Okay, it's on. Let's go ahead and test it out. Low. And as you can see, the fan is working. Now let's put it on high. Yep, it's working. So now I'm gonna put everything together back. The cover for the power wiring. And I just bought me a new filter as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the new filter in. All right, so we'll see how it goes.